Now children, I would like you to request to read page 3 of your geography book. After that we will proceed. Okay. So after reading, we are able to know that there are 5 types of map on the 2 bases of difference. Okay. First of all, based on scales, there are large scale maps and small scale maps. Okay. And based on contents, there are 3 types of map. The first one is physical map, the second is political map, and the third one is thematic map. Now, we will come to know about all of them. What are they? Which kind of map is called what? Okay. So, based on scale, we have large scale maps and small scale maps. And based on contents, we have physical maps, political maps and thematic maps. I will attach all the 3 types of map for your easier understanding, which is physical map, which is political map, and which is thematic map. Alright. In large scale maps, even the minute and smaller details are shown of a smaller area. But in a small scale map, it only shows a large part of Earth with a very few important aspects of that map, not the minute details. Alright? On the basis of content, physical map shows, with the help of color, it shows mountains, plains, plateaus, the physical terrain of a country or an area. Alright? The political map shows the political divisions, the boundaries, capitals, cities, major cities, road network, rail network, and last is thematic map. In thematic map, they show you the human future, okay, such as different crops grown in a particular area or even in a vast region also, climatic conditions of an area or even a whole country. Alright, mineral distribution of an area, the major minerals of a country, where they are found, which mineral is found where. Okay, so all these things are, all these types of maps comes under thematic map. Now children, you must be knowing that the difficult pandemic is going on, that is coronavirus, COVID-19. You must have watched in the news. They show you the thematic map of the infected areas, isn't it? If you haven't seen, just open up and see the news channels. They will often show you the infected area, the hot spots, and so all these types of contents are shown on the thematic map. The human features. Okay, so it becomes very easy to understand a particular feature or a particular disease or a particular farming, types of crops, mineral distribution. It becomes easy to understand which area is how much infected or in which area which major minerals are found. So for the people who set up the factories and all, it becomes easy for them to understand and set up the factories. So these were the 5 types of maps. Now we will move on towards the components of map. What makes a map? What important things makes a map and makes it easier to understand? We will move on towards them. Alright.